Dear students, in this topic, we shall discuss the role of testes as endocrine tissue. You know that testes are male gonads, which are primarily involved in spermatogenesis. In addition to this function, they also act as endocrine tissue and produce two major types or groups of male sex hormones. These hormones include inhibin and androgens, which are the male reproductive hormones. Dear students, in a cross section, testes have two major parts. One, the seminiferous tubules, and number two, the interstitial tissue. The seminiferous tubules are lined with two major types of cells. One are the germ cells, which are involved in spermatogenesis. The other type of cells are the Sertoli cells. These are the cells which function as endocrine cells. We shall discuss in detail the role of Sertoli cells as endocrine cells. Sertoli cells synthesize and secrete a hormone, inhibin. Inhibin is secreted on stimulation from androgens. It locally regulates the process of spermatogenesis and also involved in the downregulation of FSH hormone from the pituitary gland. The interstitial tissue lies between the seminiferous tubules. It constitutes about 20% of the mass of testes. The endocrine cells present in the interstitial tissue are the Leydig cells. Leydig cells are the cells which produce and secrete male sex hormones collectively called as androgens. एंड्रोजन्स में तीन मेजर हार्मोन्स आते हैं. पहला और सबसे ज्यादा अहम टेस्टोस्टेरोन, दूसरा डाइहाइड्रोटेस्टोस्टेरोन और तीसरा एंड्रोस्टेनिडियोन. Testosterone is the primary male sex hormone. It is the most abundant of the three. Dihydrotestosterone is more active hormone in the target tissues. So, most of the testosterone is converted into this form by the target cells. The third type of androgens, that is androstenedione, is a weak androgen. It is formed as an intermediate in the biosynthesis of testosterone. Dear students, now we shall discuss the details of secretion of testosterone. Testosterone is secreted when its concentration is lowered in the blood. It signals to the hypothalamus, which produces gonadotropin releasing hormone in response to lower concentration of testosterone in the blood. This gonadotropin releasing hormone promotes the release of FSH and luteinizing hormone from the anterior pituitary gland. These two hormones, that is FSH and LH, act on the Leydig cells of testes and stimulate the synthesis and release of testosterone. Dear students, when the level of testosterone in blood rises to a certain level, then it causes the production of inhibin hormone from the Sertoli cells of testes. This inhibin, along with the testosterone, provide a negative feedback to the hypothalamus, which decreases the synthesis and release of gonadotropin releasing hormone. That decrease results in decrease in the secretion of FSH and LH by pituitary, and ultimately it results in decrease in the production and release of testosterone.